Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm here with these chocolates, so let's start. First I'm gonna open this Lindt Hello salted caramel, nice to sweet you, and it has 39-gram net weight salted caramel. It is manufactured in Germany. So the packing is looking very nice to sweet you. The logo is also, very nice. So let's open it and open it. So this is how it looks like. It has caramel in it and other half is there only. The beautiful heart has been made. Camera, yes, it's written hello heart and these two hearts and Lindt. Very nice texture, I like it. It is really salty caramel, tasting really different. At first you will feel like it's salt, but later when it get mixed with this chocolate layer, it gets little nice. Otherwise only caramel, it's really salty. I'll not say that it's my favorite. I didn't like much. So let's move to this Galaxy caramel smooth milk chocolate with caramel filling. Again caramel, nice. So these Galaxy chocolates are really nice. I personally love them. The texture, the creaminess of the chocolate, it's very nice. So this is how it looks like, and here is the caramel. Very soft, very soft. See, I like it. Now I'll take this one. It's Galaxy dark chocolate cream. See the texture of Galaxy, it's always very smooth. So they have a filling of darker chocolate inside it, and let's have it. Very nice. Means you don't feel like that you are eating dark chocolate because of the coating of normal chocolate. It's very nice. So that's all for today's video, friends. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and share this video and like. Thank you, friends. Bye bye, take care.